In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Google Sheets in Canva. This is a simple way to bring spreadsheet information into a Canva design so you can update content faster and keep layouts consistent. Start by opening your Google Sheets file. In this example, it is a weekly schedule template, but the same process works for any spreadsheet. Take a moment to confirm your data is clean and organized. Clear column titles and consistent formatting will make importing smoother. If you plan to use the data for multiple items, make sure each row represents one complete set of information. Next, switch over to Canva and go to the Templates area. Find the template you want to work with and open it in the editor. Once your design loads, click the element you want to connect with your spreadsheet data. This is usually a text box or a table area in the layout. Selecting the correct element first is important because Canva will apply the imported data based on what you have highlighted. With that element selected, open the Actions menu. Actions is where Canva keeps tools that affect the selected object, including options for bringing in external data. From Actions, choose Import Data. This opens the Import panel, where you can connect your design to a data source. In the Import area, follow the on-screen prompts by clicking the highlighted options that appear. These highlighted clicks guide you through selecting your file and confirming what data should be brought into Canva. As you move through these screens, pay attention to what Canva is asking you to approve, such as which sheet to use and which range of cells to pull in. If you have multiple tabs in your spreadsheet, make sure you are choosing the correct one. Continue clicking through the remaining highlighted prompts until you reach the confirmation screen. When everything looks correct, click Done. Canva will finalize the import and apply your spreadsheet information to the design. At this point, your Google Sheets data is now inside Canva, ready to use for your layout. If anything looks off, it usually means the selected element or the spreadsheet formatting needs a quick adjustment, and you can repeat the import. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.